What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Caleb McAllister here, in the beginning stages of setting up the brand new sound booth in this walk-in closet in our new studio, featuring these awesome sound panels from the folks at DollarBoss that you can see behind me. I'm going to begin the prep process, and I'll turn the camera back on. Stand by. All right, guys, the panels are installed. You can put these interlocked together. I chose to stagger them because that's going to work better for the purposes of the sound booth. You can screw them or you can glue them. I chose to use command strips because it makes it more easy to remove if we decide to move the sound booth later. But I'm going to flip the camera so you can get a better look. Absolutely beautiful. And ready to bring in the rest of the equipment. Very good start. Check them out, guys, at the link below. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next time. Take care, everybody.